Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the keyboard, top cover, wireless module, SATA drive, speakers, fan, heatsink, and display panel assembly. Removal: disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the four 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the system board to the base enclosure. Lift the right edge of the system board off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure. Slide the external connectors on the left side of the system board out of the cutouts in the base enclosure and remove the system board. Replacement. Note: before installing a new system board, remove the following from the old system board and install on the new system board: memory module, RTC battery. Important: after installing a new system board, be sure to update the BIOS to the latest revision or to the version requested by the customer. In some cases, the replacement system board may have an older BIOS revision that may not support all of the features on the customer's system. Tow the external connectors on the left side of the system board into the cutouts in the base enclosure and lower the right side of the system board onto its alignment pins on the base enclosure. Caution: ensure that the power connector and USB audio ribbon cables are free from being pinched between the system board and base enclosure. Replace the four 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the system board to the base enclosure. Connect the power connector cable into its connector on the system board. Important: the system ID and/or serial number must be reset after replacing the system board. HP has tools and utilities that can be used to change these settings. Contact your service management team for the latest tools and utilities. Please refer to the following course for more information. Grow at HP course ID 00116077. HP Mobile DMIFIT web-based training.